How's it? I thought I'd never do this, the whole vlogging thing, but here goes. Tired of the studio, and I think so are you. My hand is starting to shake because this is heavy, but 7 tips for you guys on how to take better couple photos. Let's take a drive. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome, sir. Enjoy.
Excellent, thank
Okay.
you. Okay, I can probably take this off now. Let's start with the 7 tips to take better couple photos. Tip number 1 might come to a shock to you guys, but I would say shoot aperture priority. The less you think about, the better, and then you can focus on the moments, you can focus on whatever's happening in front of you, rather than focusing on all the settings. Are there times that I shoot on manual? Definitely, but most of the time, guys, I shoot aperture priority, and I would highly recommend it. It's easier, it's faster, and if something quickly changes, like the light or the couple changes direction or whatever the case, you can just change your aperture or your ISO and be quick about it and not miss the shot. Sorry, my arm is tired, so I'll put it down below. Let me take a quick video with my phone for you guys, then you can see where's the camera, quick camera, video. That's my salt and pepper setup. So another tip I can give you guys is to use continuous focus on your camera, where the camera focuses all the time. It might use a bit more battery, but it's well worth it, especially if you shoot at f1.4, f2, f2.8. So a lot of you put it on one shot focus, and as soon as your couple move backwards or forward, even if it's just an inch or a centimeter, you will lose focus on f1.4 or f2, and therefore when you put it on continuous focus, your camera will hunt the whole time and you can lock on to those sharp shots. By the way, I love this R6, and the flip out screen obviously makes it easier to vlog. Oh, that's bright. Let me get back here. So the next tip, and I've said it before, it's a bit of an echo here. Let me just move. So the next step, guys, and I've said it before, is to create an experience for your couple. Let me use the other hand, stronger hand, my right hand. Create an experience for the couple. You have to create an experience, guys. If you create an experience, that's when couples will book you again or tell their friends about you, and they will look so much more at ease and natural on the photos. So make sure to create an experience, enjoy the shoot with them, and they will look comfortable on the photos and enjoy it so much more. I think I'm gonna put the camera now on my car. It's just so much lighter. There we go. Now I need something to lift it up, or I need to talk to you guys like this. It's almost like a Mattia Poya vibe. Put my phone under it. There we go. Let's see, is that better? I think I'll have to add my keys as well. I want to show you what it looks like, this little scene, but I'm using my phone as the tripod as well as my gate remote. So the next tip goes hand in hand with the previous tip, and that is to set a mood. If you are grumpy and not laughing and you look like you had a bad day, the couple is not gonna feel at ease and they're not gonna enjoy the shoot that much. So it's very important, guys, that you set the mood, have laughter. Even if you had a really bad week, really bad day, step on that stage. It's almost like a stage that you get onto. Be friendly, make jokes, and let them enjoy it. So the next tip, guys, is to scout for location. It's a pretty obvious one, but sometimes people get lazy and they don't find any cool locations. And yesterday I did a maternity shoot right at this spot. It's at the local golf course. You can see the golf course in the background. Let me show you where I'm at, and it's a very simple place, and we did the whole shoot over here. Pretty much looks like this. I've got these big fig trees over here, and yesterday, round about there in the middle, the sunlight came through. Here's an example of the shoot I did, and then we did some others under those fig trees. Let's quickly go there. Look how amazing this light is here, guys. So I used this light over here, or these trees, and then with the sunlight that came through yesterday. And that's the other thing, you have to communicate with your couples what the weather is doing, and that's part of location searching. It's very important to search for those locations and make sure the light's going to be where you think it's going to be, number one, and also use that light. So you need to make sure that the light is going to be where you think it's going to be, and also the quality of light. So another cool extra tip I have for you guys before we do the last tip is to use the app called Sun Seeker. It will help you to see where the sun is setting on the specific day, and also where it will be setting, and that will help you out with regards to the light of the shoot. And that goes obviously hand in hand with finding location. Excuse the breeze that's coming through, guys. I can stand under these fig trees the whole day. It is incredible, especially this time of day when the light comes through. Let me just change the exposure on my variable filter. There we go. I can actually just change like this. Oh my goodness, the light under these trees is just magic. Before I get to the last tip, I've got a big favor to ask. If you haven't liked this video yet, please click on the like if you like it. Leave a comment in the box, ask me questions. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, I see only a couple of you have subscribed. So click on the subscribe and the notification button, and I would really appreciate it. It will grow this channel so that I can make more content, and who knows, maybe I'll do another vlog at some point. Let's talk about the last tip. Gee whiz, I think I am gonna have stiff arms tomorrow. That is getting so heavy. But anyways, and the other thing that I need to stop doing is to look at the LCD when I'm talking to you guys. Let me just switch arms. Wow, I need to get in the gym. Okay, so the last tip, guys, is definitely shoot 10 minutes to 15 minutes after sunset. Don't stop when the sun is down. Wait maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Wait for the light. Even if you have to shoot at a higher ISO, I these days shoot 10 to 15 minutes after sunset, and the light is magic. So I hope you guys like this little vlog of mine and the 7 tips of how to get better couple photos. And my arm is getting tired, so I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.